Yes, good afternoon Pag-ibig team. My name is Prince De Vera, your Pampanga update today, August 24, 2016. So, bigyan ko kayo ng update dito sa Pampanga. Nagkaroon kami ng 6 projection and 112,000 na collection kaninang umaga. Then, ngayong hapon, nagkaroon naman kami ng actual na 5 cured, 2 partial payment, 3 performing loan with the collection of 233,426. So hindi po namin na-hit yung projection namin sa curing na 6, pero nalampasan naman namin or nag-over target naman kami dun sa projection namin sa collection. Then agent performance update as of today, August 24, 2016. So kung papansin po ninyo ay sobrang baba pa po namin as of today. So start tayo kay Brian with 724,000 with 21 cured. With Emma 798,000 with 21 cured. At kay Prince with 749,000 and 20 cured. Kay Mila naman ay 689,000 with 19 cured. And then kay Francis with 469,000 with 9 cured. So overall, as of today, nasa 3,430,760 pa lang kami with 90 cured accounts. So kung titignan po natin, yung aming projection this month sa curing ay 120. Samantalang sa collection naman ay 5 million. So ibig sabihin po nun, may variance pa po kami sa curing na 30 cured. At sa collection naman ay 1.6 million yung kinakailangan namin until August 31 para ma-hit namin yung projection namin na 5 million. And then, bigyan ko din kayo ng update. Ang aming top collector as of today ay si Emmalyn Bien with 21 cured at 798,508 na collection. So, meron pa po kaming 4 days para ma-hit namin yung target namin sa collection and curing. So, yun lamang po yung update dito sa Pampanga. And then, trivia of the day, snail. Okay, so alam nyo ba na ang snail ay kayang matulog ng 3 taon? Okay, ganun po sila matulog, ganun kahaba yung tulog nila. Kaya nila matulog ng 3 years. So ang rason nun ay ang snails is they alike many other animals hibernate. Hibernation means that they sleep when weather becomes excessively cold. This is a necessity in survival. Snails will bury themselves in the ground and close their shells off with their own slime. So, yun lamang po yung update. Again, this is Prince De Vera. Good afternoon.